The foldable drone with 1080p camera by Velcase is designed with a user-friendly interface, making it suitable for beginners and children. This drone features a 1080p HD adjustable camera that provides stunning aerial photos and videos, with the added ability to control the drone and view real-time video feed via the Velcase VGO app. The drone comes with a variety of functions, including optical flow positioning, barometric altitude hold, 3D flips, headless mode, and one-key takeoff, landing, return, emergency stop, making it both fun and easy to operate. The thoughtful design of this drone includes a foldable body for portability, 2,050 mAh batteries for extended flight time, and additional accessories such as propeller guards and spare fan blades for safety and convenience. One-key takeoff and optical flow positioning technology ensures a stable and controllable flight, with the ability to capture high-quality photos and videos, even while performing a 360-degree flip. With a strong customer support system, Velcase provides 24-hour technical support, quality warranty, and refund services, making the foldable drone an excellent choice for anyone seeking a reliable and enjoyable flying experience.